Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Devika. Good evening, Akansha. Let's wait for the students to join, then we'll start with the class. We'll be discussing about the morning shift remaining questions, and then we'll be proceeding ahead with few more practicing questions. Okay. Right. So this is the first question for you all. Let's do a simple question first. Very basic question. Let me show you that question first. Okay, let's start with this question itself. Okay, give it a try to this question. It's a bit lengthy question. Okay, but still give it a try. The question is that you are given this graph in which 10 students are plotted against their pre PhD marks and their marks in the masters. Okay, and you need to find out that which of the following statement is true. This question will take 6 to 7 minutes for you also to solve. So take your time, understand the question, and then mark the answer. One hint, try making a list of the students. Let's say the student name is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, whatever you want to take, and then take it in this way. Let's say this one is student A, this is student B, this is student C, D, E, F, then this one is G, H, I, and J. Okay, now in their pre PhD marks and in their masters, what marks are they getting? Write it down and then read these statements and discuss it, or like mark it accordingly. Take your time, mark the answer for this question. Yes, the answer. Let's see. So, easy question. Answer for this is yes. Option number C. Very good. Four of you out of five, four have marked the answer, and all four of you got the answer correct. What you have to do in this question, let's say A. Okay, these are the students that we have. So, A student have got in the pre PhD and in their masters. In the pre PhD, they have got he or she has got 30 marks, and in the MSc he has got 40. Student B has got 40 and 40. Student C has got 50 and 40. Student D has got 30 and 50. Student E has got 40 and 50. Student, who else? F has got 50. No, where is he? Over here. 50 and 60, right? Then student G has got 50 and 70. H has got 50 and 80. I has got 70 and 70. Okay. And J has got 70 and 90. Okay. This is the complete information that is given to us. First option, two students have scored better in the pre PhD than in their masters. Two students in their pre PhD than in masters. So better in pre PhD, that is more in pre PhD. Okay, let's see. One, we have just one of it, right? Just one student has got that way, so this one is incorrect. Then all students scored who scored 15 pre PhD scored more marks in the MSc. So 15 pre PhD more in MSc, 15 pre PhD more, 50 more, 50 and less. This one is incorrect again, so B is incorrect. Two students have scored same marks in pre PhD and MSc. So 1 70 70, 40 40. Correct. D option, two students who scored maximum in MSc is the student who scored maximum in MSc is the only student to get maximum in pre PhD. No, other one has also got 70 as the maximum. So D is also incorrect. Very good. All five of you got the answer correct. Excellent. Very simple question. This was a lengthy one, but if you understand the concept behind it, it won't take much time, right? Next question. Give it a try to this question, everyone. A fair cubic die is rolled out five times, and we get the face with one all the five times. Probability of getting the same face on the sixth time, what will be the probability of the same? Give it a try to this. Let's look at the simple question. Question is saying that a fair cubic dice is given to you, and it's asking that we have thrown the dice 5 times, and every time we got number 1 in, like, at the top. Question is asking what is the probability of getting the same number sixth time also. Obviously the answer will be 1 upon 6, because there is no change in it. There is no, we have not we don't have a special type of a cubic dice, right? So right, so that's the reason why this time also the probability of getting the same number is 1 upon 6 itself. Very good. Some of you got the answer correct, one or two of you got the answer incorrect also. A is not the correct answer. Answer for this will be 1 upon 6 itself. Simple question. Okay, one more question for you all. Give it a try to this question. This one is again PYQ. Okay, give it a try. The path of light between two mirrors is shown to you. Length of the mirror, this is given to you as L. What is the total path length that is shown in the entire mirror? Give it a try to this question now. Did you people get the SMS for the class? Yes, 5 of you are there. Did you get the SMS for the class when when it got started? Okay, that means people are not, like, students are not joining by choice. I thought there's some technical issue. Okay, okay. Give it a try to the question now, everyone. Done, everyone. Let's look into the answer to mark it. Very easy. Let's see. Path of a ray of light between the two mirrors is shown to us. The complete length. If this is L, this is also L, right? If this angle is 30, this will also be 30. If this is 30, like if this complete is 60, so this will also be 60. If this is 60, this is 60. That means all these angles will be 60 itself, right? This is a basic property. And if a angle or if a triangle have all the angles as 60, it is known as an equilateral triangle. Like if all the angles are equal, it is known as an equilateral triangle, right? And if it is an equilateral triangle, that means all the sides are equal. If you are given the sides being equal, that means this is equal to this. If the complete is L, this is L upon 2. Are you understanding this? If one side of the triangle is L upon 2, all the other sides will be L upon 2, L upon 2, right? Now the point is, if L upon 2 is there, all the sides are L upon 2. So 1, 2, this is also L upon 2 and this is also L upon 2. You have to find out that between the mirrors, what is the path length? Did you understand this expression? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if I'm adding all of these, I'll get 2L. Did you get the point? Answer is option number D. Out of 5, 4 of you got the answer correct. Are you understanding this? Yes or no? Yes. Did you understand this question? Akansha, is it clear? It's a simple question. Just basic maths need to be applied and you'll get the answer easily. Once more, sure, Devika. See, you are given this complete side as L because the length of the mirror is L. So both of the mirrors length will be L, right? Now one side is 30. This is a bisector. So this will also be 30. If the angle over here is 30, like if this is 30, this will also be 30 because it will be reflecting at the same angle. So this will also be 30, this will also be 30. All the angles become, sorry, all of the angles will become 60, 60. And if a triangle have all the angles similar, it is known as an equilateral triangle. If the angle are equal, the sides will also be equal. So the total length is 2L. From here to here, the length is 2L. So this half will be L upon 2. And if one of the side is L upon 2, all the sides will be L upon 2 itself. Right? Devika, are you understanding this? Right? If all the four sides are L upon 2 and you need to find out the total path length of the rays between the mirror, so you have to add on all four of them. You'll get the answer as 2L. Right? Answer will be what? Answer will be 2L. Did you understand this point now? Yes, Devika, clear? Basic maths need to be applied. Nothing much. Clear? Next question. Okay, we have done this. We've done this. Okay, give it a try to this question, everyone. This one is related to your logical understanding, I would say. Give it a try to this. Done a very interesting question. Let's see. See, the question is, a librarian is arranging a 13 volume encyclopedia on the shelf from left to right, following the order of the volume number. Okay. The volume numbers are given in this pattern. It is asking where should volume 13 be placed. Okay. This particular thing is bit tricky. Like, let's try to write down. Okay. 8, EIGHT, 11. Then you have 5, 4, 9. Then you have 1. Then you have 7. Then you have 6. Then you have 10. Then you have 3. Then you have 12. And then you have 2. So now, if you observe carefully, they are in alphabetic order. If you observe it very, very carefully, E, then E. Now E I, then E L. Then you have F I F O, N I, then O, then S E, S I, T E, T H, T W, T W. If you look into it carefully, you'll look into it in a like alphabetical manner. Okay. So now it is asking where will the 13 be placed. 13 is THIRTEEN. So just look into it. Where will you place 13 according to the alphabetic order? Because see, if you observe it in the numeric form, you won't ever be able to find where 13 will be placed. So you have to think about the complete thing, that what is there. So for that, you need to think it in the alphabetical order. Think about it. Where will you keep 13? In which particular position will you keep 13? Yes, because all of you have marked very undicey situations, undicey answers. So let's see, where will you place it? Put it in alphabetic order, everyone. Yes, very good, sweetie. Yes. TEN and THREE. Between 10 and 3, you'll be having 13 place. Did you understand this question? It's a very interesting question, right? And very easy question also. You just have to be like thinking on your toes where we have to put in the main thing, right? I hope the question is clear. Answer is option number C. Okay, we have done this. Give it a try to this particular question, everyone. Now this one is probability again. Try out the question, simple again. It will take time for you to solve this, but easy again. Give it a try. Go in a Very simple question. 12 balls are there, and out of these 12 balls, 3 is red, 3 are green, 3 are blue, and 3 are yellow. Okay, they're put in a box and they are mixed together. We have to pick up 3 balls without replacement. Very important terminology, without replacement. That is, when you're picking up the first ball, you're not placing it again in the box and you're taking up the new ball. Okay, so without replacement is first out of 12 balls, any color, let's say red color. So 3 red color balls are there, so probability is 3 upon 12. Next probability will be 2 upon 11, and next it will be 1 upon 10. Are you understanding this? Right, when you solve it up, what do you get? You get, simplify it, you get 1 upon 220. Right, now this is the probability for any one color. We have 4 colors in total, so 4 into 1 upon 220, it will be equal to what? It will be equal to 1 upon 55. Simple. Answer will be option number D. I hope it's clear. Shruti, is it clear to you? Anisha, I can't see your answer. Okay, she has marked. Who didn't mark in this question? Akansha, I can't see your answer for this question. Is the concept clear to all? Yes or no? Right now, giving you the same question, the only difference is it is with replacement. Question is similar. You have to consider the concept of with replacement. Okay, question is completely similar. Only difference is that you are picking up the balls with replacement. So now what will be the answer? Mark it. Like whatever the answer you get, you can post it in the chat itself. Done everyone in terms of the options given over here. Okay, you can mark it the way you get it. You can just solve it out yourself and mark the answer accordingly. Done everyone? Quickly mark the answers. Devika, mark the answer quickly. Let's see. Very simple. Okay. Now, because over here we are not having any kind of change. So, not having any kind of replacement. So, that means what? That means 3 upon 12 multiplied by 3 upon 12 multiplied by 3 upon 12. Are you understanding this? 12. It's 1, 2. So this complete will be multiplied by 4 because I am replacing, I'm keeping the ball again, like I'm looking into the ball color and I'm keeping it again. So it will be, so 1 upon 4 upon 4, 1 upon 4 into 4 is 64. So it will be equal to 1 upon 16. Answer will be 1 upon 16. Did you understand the answer now? Yes. None of you got the answer correct. Did you understand the concept? All of you. With replacement, without replacement, in the examination the concept gets changed the moment you have replacements present or absent. With the same, like with just one word, with or without, the answer changes, right? Clear everyone? Yes or no? Why multiply by 4? Because we have 4 colors: green, red, blue, and yellow. That's why we have multiplied by 4. Over here as well, see, Shruti, we have multiplied by 4 because for one of them it's 1, 3 upon 12, 3 upon 12, and 3 upon 12 because 3 colors are there. So we have multiplied it by 4 because in total 4 types of balls are there. Clear now, Shruti? Right? Let's move forward. Answer for the previous one, like for the question that was 4. Give it a try to this question, everyone. Easy question again. done everyone to the answer? One student still left. Okay, she is marked. Let's see. A long rim of paper of thickness T is given to you and it is rolled tightly. Okay, let's say this is the paper initially and now you have rolled it this way. Okay, so the paper becomes larger. As the roll becomes larger, the length becomes or length of the paper wrapped in the one turn exceeds the turn by how much? Okay, this is asking. This is what it is asking. And the papers, let's say the thickness given to us is T. Okay, let's say this is T. So for the first one, what if it's a roll, it's a circle, right? So for the first, I can say that the thickness is 2 pi r normal. Next one will be 2 pi r plus T. Did you understand this? Because thickness is T, so I have to add the T in the entire thickness, the thickness of the paper in the entire roll. So now I need to find out that what is the difference between the two. So this is for the second roll, this is for the first roll. So 2 pi r plus T minus 2 pi r, right? So the answer will be what? It will be 2 pi T. Did you understand this thing? Very simple thing. Very, very simple. Answer will be option number D. Did you understand the concept? Yes or no? Sweetie, is it clear? Very simple question, very basic question, right? Answer is option number D. Give it a try to this particular question now, everyone. Done. Answer again. Rectangular photo frame of size 30 into 40. Let's say this is 30, this is 40, and over here we have mounted a picture leaving a border of 5 centimeter from all the sides. So this is 5 centimeter. From all the sides you have 5 centimeters. Okay. The area of the border is, you need to find out the area of this border. So if this is 30 and you're leaving a border of 5 and 5, this for photos which is mounted is 20, and over here it will be 30. So if I find out the border, or if I find out the outer side area, it will be 30 into 40, 1200. If I find out for the photograph, it is for 30 into 20, which is equal to 600. So I need to find out for the border. So I have to subtract the complete photo frame, like for the photograph from the photo frame. So it is 1200 minus 600. I get the answer as 600. Answer is option number A. Did you understand this question, everyone? Very, very simple question, right? Very good. All of you got it correct. Next question. This one is related to your mean, median, and mode. Okay. Give it a try to this. With this, you can revise your three concepts together. Done, everyone? Yes, for the following set of observations, you are given like these observation and you need to find out which of the following is true. So what is mean? Mean is the average, right? Mode is what? Mode is the highest occurring value. Median is what? Median depends upon two factors, when the number of observations are odd or even. If the number of observations are odd, then the middle value is taken as median, and if it is even, then the middle two values and their summation, like the average of the middle two values, is taken as their median, right? So it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. So 15 of them are there, that is, it is odd in number. Odd means the middle value will be taken as the median. Okay, when you solve it out, you'll get the answer very easily. The answer for this question, like, what is the summation of all of these? Did you calculate? Yes. If I sit and calculate this, it will take time for me. We won't be able to do other questions. It's just you have to add all of these, divide by 15, you'll get mean, then you get mode, and then you get median. Mode is what? Mode is 70 over here, because 70 is maximum occurring. Median will be the middle value after you like calculate it depending upon the number of observations, right? And you have to put it in the increasing order. For finding out the median, it need to be in the increasing order. It is already given to you in the increasing order. Okay, Isha has written down 1337. So Isha, I'm just taking your value correctly because I'm not calculating it right now. Okay, 1337 divided by 15, so you get 89.13. Okay, so 89.13 is the mean which you get. Mode is 70, and median will be, like, you have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, 82 will be the median over here. So mode is 70, it is 89.13, and this is 82. So the maximum is what? Maximum is mean. So mean is maximum, then you have median. So mean, median, and then mode. Mode is the minimum one. Okay. So keep a note of this. Answer is option number A. I hope it's clear. Very simple. Yes, 70, 82, and 89.13. Very correct. Right. So answer is option number this. One more question for you all. Give it a try to this question, everyone. This one is a latest year question. Solve it. Very good. Question is saying that you have a family in which you have mother, father, daughter, son, and his wife. Okay, so they are posing for a photograph that is occurring in a sequential manner. Okay, A, B, C, D, and E. The spouses have to sit next to each other. Okay, that means E is the son, as it is given in the question. If E is the son, then D is for sure his wife, right? Because it is saying that the spouses need to sit together. So if the spouses need to sit together, we have to eliminate these two, because we need to look into which of the following is for sure correct. It is saying option D. D is occupied by daughter. This one is for sure incorrect. Now let's look into A, B, and C. Now, if the spouses need to sit together, so either the spouse are B and C, or either the spouse is A and B. C is single. No, like the daughter is not having any partner. So either B or C is father mother, or A or B is father mother. If B and C is the father mother, let's say, so it is asking that the next condition is daughter has to sit with mother. So if B and C is father and mother, so this will be the father, this will be the mother, and over here this will be the daughter. Reason being, the mother and daughter need to sit together. In the second scenario, if A and B is father mother, so this one will be mother for sure, because this one has to be daughter. D and E is already highlighted, that C is already, like C is D and E is mother, son and the wife. So C occupied by daughter, okay. But the daughter can be occupied by A as well. So this is incorrect. This is incorrect. But B occupied by the mother is for sure 110%. It is correct that B will always be occupied by mother. Okay. Is it clear to all? Answer is option number B. Isha, Akansha, Shruti. Is it clear to you? Yes or no? Mahi, is it clear to you? You have not marked the answer for this question. Right, let's move forward and let's do one more question. Okay, give it a try. Okay, but this one will take time. You can take this question as homework. Okay, we share this question on the group. You can take this question as homework. Try it out. We'll discuss in the next class. Okay, give it a try to this question, everyone. Easy question. Give it a try. It's a simple question for class. That's very simple. Let's see. Question is saying the university need to appoint a vice chancellor based upon the seniority. Mr. West is less senior than Mr. North. So North is more senior, West is less senior, but more senior than Mr. East. That is, Mr. West is more senior than Mr. East. So it will be on the top. Then North is the most senior. Then Mr. South is senior to West, but junior to North. Junior to North. So over here, okay. So it is asking if the senior most declined, that is North has declined. Who will be the vice chancellor? Mr. South. Simple, basic question. Very very simple question. D will be the answer. Question is asking if the first one has declined. He has declined the offer. Who will be the vice chancellor? South will be the vice chancellor. Clear, everyone? Shruti, Devika, clear? Right? So this is the question. These were the questions for you all. Right, these were the questions for you all for this particular class. I hope all the questions are clear to you. Now we'll be discussing, like, I might take a extra class tomorrow. I'm not sure. If my schedule allows, I'll take a class for your ecology, sorry, for your evolution, just one hour class tomorrow if it's possible from my end. I'll let you know. Otherwise we'll have the class on Monday, and tomorrow you all will be having your test, so be there in the test also. Okay, so, all the best. Good luck. Take care, everyone. And please make sure that you're coming in the live sessions on daily basis. Okay. I can see the reduction in the number of live students. We have 130 approx enrolled students, but they have like very less are coming to the live session. So make sure that if you have time, then you're for sure coming in the live session. That's very important. Okay, and the homework given to you, make sure that you're doing the homework as well. Okay, so all the best, good luck, take care everyone. Let's meet in the next class. Bye.